Ready? Start. Sir, I have been great pleasure in bringing forward this bill before the House. The creation of an All India Institute of this nature was first mooted by what is known as the Bhor Committee in their report. That committee toured all over India, bent into the question of the health services, the means that provided those health services, ways of combating the lack of those services, and also how best we could maintain high standards of medical education and thereby promote the scientific knowledge of modern medicine in our own land with all the experience and all the clinical material available to us in our own country, in the background of our own country, including the villages, rather than send a few of our students abroad to go in for further postgraduate study. Now, this institute is going to lay primary emphasis on postgraduate studies. As I have just said, it is said that today, up till now, we have had to depend on scholarships, whether governmental or from abroad, such as the Rockefeller Foundation is good enough to give us to send a few chosen representatives of the medical profession to outside countries to get their postgraduate studies in the various limbs of the medical profession. I have always felt that it would be even much better for us if we could give the some knowledge as these young men and women acquire by going abroad in our own country. Further, if we have an institute of this nature, we shall thereby be able to control the standard of education. We shall be even able to make changes in the curriculum of our medical education and thereby give not only to this country but also through our country to the world. Something different, something that we from our rare experience will be able to find as we go along this exploratory path of progress. As I have often said, it has been one of my cherished dreams that an institute of this nature should come into being, and that though it we may be able to serve our own people better, especially the people who live in our villages. Our educational institutes have up till now been always located in the cities. This is also being located in Delhi. You may say a city, but we are going to have village hospitals.